If you're one of the millions of Americans who tries to eat healthy and prepare healthy meals for your family, you've probably wrestled with what is and is not healthy, and it's not always easy to tell these days. The current FDA definitions for healthy eating were written 20 years ago, and a lot has changed since then. Now the feds are starting the process of redefining what healthy really means. Here's NBC's Tom Costello.
How is it possible a sugary cereal could be considered healthy, but not almonds, avocados, and salmon? Because the science of healthy eating has changed since the FDA wrote the current guidelines in the 1990s, when healthy foods had to meet 5 government criteria on fat, saturated fat, sodium, cholesterol, and nutrients. At a Whole Foods in Washington today, we met nutritionist Catherine Talmadge.
We used to believe that sugary cereals were fine as long as they were fortified with vitamins and minerals.
Not anymore.
Now we want people to eat the whole food, whole grains.
Now, the FDA is beginning the process of redefining what healthy means. Professor David Just is a food economist at Cornell.
The simpler we can make it, the more we can make it, very easy and accessible for the consumer, the more it actually ends up doing some good.
25 years ago, the focus was on a low-fat diet, but we've since learned some fats are actually good for you, and trans fats are now banned. Despite what the old guidelines say, we now know that almonds, salmon, and avocados are healthy, but that glass of orange juice we thought was healthy could be loaded with sugar. The turkey deli sandwich likely coming with lots of salt, and low-fat yogurts and muffins, lots of sugar. For years, the FDA has also been under pressure to define what a natural food is, but in fact, there is no standard.
And with no standards and no verification in place, that label can pretty much mean what any manufacturer or company wants it to mean.
Now, defining what is natural and what is healthy is getting a 21st century makeover. Tom Costello, NBC News, Washington.